Enter another budget device, the POCO. Hawak ko right now is the POCO C75. Itong phone na ito is below 5,000 pesos and I think it's a pretty solid na device for everyday usage. Bakit nga ba? This one is being powered by the MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra, which is for me perfect na perfect siya for everyday usage. Malaki ang kanyang screen at 6.88 inch na IPS LCD. Android version 14 na siya and being powered by HyperOS din ni Xiaomi. And best of all, malaki kanyang battery, 5,160 mAh na battery, and we'll know more about this device after this quick intro. Guys, itong POCO C75 na may 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage. Meron siyang SRP na 6,499. But guys, naka-sale siya this December. Tinino guys, 4,600 pesos na lang siya, which I'll post the link on the description box below. So hurry up bago maubos pa ang stock. Link on the description box below. Now guys, pagdating naman sa design, it looks okay. Medyo nawi-weirdohan lang ako konti dito sa kanyang design. Hinati niya, no? Medyo shiny part niya dito sa ibabaw and medyo matte finish dito sa ilalim. Sa ibabaw, pag hinawakan mo, puro fingerprint smudges for sure. Now, one thing to like dito sa kanya is that it still has a triple card slot, so pwede ka pa mag-expand ng storage once you need it. And it supports 4G SIMs, by the way. One thing na hindi ko gusto dito sa kanya is definitely kanya teardrop notch. It's already 2024. And of course, yung kanyang bezel is quite thick, yung kanyang chin. On the upside, nandiyan ba kanyang audio jack? For me, it's good. Now, itong device ito is being powered by the MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra. And, well, for me personally, it's okay na device for everyday usage. If you're just planning to use it for call, text, social media, take some photos, use yung mga Viber, Messenger, panalong-panalo na itong device na ito. And it was able to give me 263,000 points dito sa Antutu benchmark. And nung binigdown natin, this is the score that I got. Meron siya 158 na loop score dito, 98% ka na stability dito sa Wildlife Extreme. Ito ang score na nakuha ko dito sa Geekbench, ka na CPU benchmarking, and ito ang kanang GPU benchmark. Okay naman kanang thermals and it throttle to 85% na kanang best performance. Now, let's talk about yung battery. This one has a 5,160 mAh na battery, which can support up to 18 watts na fast charging. Charging from 0 to 100 takes a little bit above 2 hours to complete the charging cycle. Now, based sa aking personal usage, this phone can last you for 2 whole days without even charging, as long as you're using it normally, walang heavy gaming. Pero nung sinalang ko to sa battery stress test dito sa PC Mark, it got me a 14 hours and 32 minutes na screen on time. Based sa akin 50% brightness and 60 Hz na screen refresh rate. Now guys, gusto ko lang quickly share sa inyo one of the better power banks na nagamit ko so far. And this is from ROMOSS. What I like dito sa power bank na ito is very small siya, very sleek, and very easy to carry around. And what's nice dito sa kanya is 10,000 mAh ang kanyang charging capacity, and meron din siyang 20 watts na fast charging support. Siyempre, meron siyang MagSafe dito. So if you have yung mga phones like iPhone or mga Android smartphone na may wireless charging capability, okay na okay ito. But if you don't have, okay lang din naman. Kasi you can always use itong kanyang charging cable na kasama, which is pag pinlagin mo naman siya, mabilis naman siya mag-charge dito sa aking POCO C75. So far, I'm loving tong niya kasi kaya na magbigay ng quick charge dito sa aking POCO C75, which pag bit-bit mo siya and you're always on the go, pwede mo na siya lagay ganito sa likod. So you're holding your phone like this one, hindi na siya masyado sagabal kasi may silang ganyang kable, which is built in together with this power bank. And I would say na I definitely love to travel with itong ROMOSS na power bank. And another thing na siguro hindi nyo napansin din dito sa kanya is that you can use this one para isabit sa inyong bag. So, one side dito, kabitin dito, and on the other side, kabit mo na siya dito. It's an instant na bag tag. No? Hindi siya sagabal, nasa labas lang siya ng bag mo, nakasabit lang siya ganito. No? Imbis na sabitin mo labubu, eh ganitong power bank na lang sabi mo from ROMOSS, which is definitely going to be better and useful for you than just putting on a labubo na stuff na, well, hindi mo naman masyadong papakinabangan except maganda lang siya pang aesthetics. Ito, equally nice ang ganda aesthetics, color blue. I would say na you can always check this out on the description box below, which I'll post the link. And ako personally, recommended ko to for added juice sa inyong smartphone, especially when you're traveling a lot and you're always away from mga charging station and mga charging port. This is definitely a good bet. Check it out, ROMOSS on WMO10 na power bank. Now, one thing to like dito sa phone na ito is malaking kanyang screen. 6.88-inch na IPS LCD. Up to 120Hz of screen refresh rate ang meron dito sa phone na ito. And ang maximum brightness nito is 600 nits. And this one can display up to 720p na video. If you're browsing naman on social, okay naman. No, wala kang maging problema dito. Hindi siya sumisipa sa 120Hz if you're browsing on TikTok, on Facebook, and on Instagram. Eh, pansin ko kasi yung mata ko, calibrated na siya sa 120Hz. Sanay na ako kasi phone ko naka-fix sa 120Hz. If I'm using mga 60Hz screen refresh rate, eh nararamdaman ng aking mata. Parang naiiwan siya. Yan ang nafe-feel ko dito sa phone na ito. Kasi up to 120Hz nito sa phone na ito is only selected to a few and mostly sa kanyang home screen. Kung nanood ka naman ng video dito, okay naman. I would say it can let you watch a decent 720p na video. Enjoying together with the whole barkada, wala kang maging problema. Except na hindi ko lang trip masyado yung teardrop notch dito, which takes away a little bit of a space while you're watching. Now, since itong phone na ito only has one loud firing speaker dito, check natin kung malakas nga ba tunog nito. Honestly, this sound is just average. I would say na medyo nahihinaan ako sa kanya, personally speaking. So, I would recommend you to use yung TWS or just use yung wired headphones dito. Now, I did play 2 games dito, Mobile Legends and Call of Duty Mobiles. Pagdating sa Mobile Legends, sinet ko siya sa recommended settings niya. And I was able to get a good gaming experience dito. To my surprise, kaya naman mag-perform yung G81 on Mobile Legends. Hindi naman siya naglalag masyado and wala naman na-feel na frame loss along the way. The touch response was okay, hindi naman siya yung naiiwan based sa aking experience. And the sounds is medyo mediocre if you ask me. I would say na this can give you a decent game on medium graphical settings. Moving on to Call of Duty Mobile, okay din ang kanyang gameplay, setting to the recommended settings na meron dito. And I would say na there are times na parang medyo nabibitin siguro yung touch sensitivity nito when you're swiping to the left and right. Parang hindi siya yung buo ang swing ko. Yun ang pansin ko lang dito sa kanya. So, the gameplay was okay. Wala naman na-feel masyado na lags. Siguro nabibitin lang dito sa kanya is yung sensitivity lang niya dito sa swiping left and right. Kaya, there are times na nahihirapan ako konti dito sa kanya. But overall, marami namang napanalo ng games dito while I'm playing this game. And after 30 minutes, I was able to enjoy it naman kahit papaano. Napag-usapan natin ang kanyang camera. This phone has a 50MP na main camera sensor which can let you shoot up to 1080p and 30fps na video, and ang kanyang front-facing camera is a 13MP which can also shoot you up to 1080 and 30. So guys, let's quickly evaluate some of the shots na nakuha natin dito sa POCO C75. Now, I would say that taking some outdoor shot, makakapagkuha ka na some really nice shot dito sa kanya. And honestly, I was surprised with some of these water droplets na dito sa dahon na ito. It looks nice, really sharp ang mga photos na nakuha ko. And sometimes there are shots na medyo a little bit overexposed like this one. Pero pag lumapit ka sa ibang flower or another angle, makakuha naman siya ng magandang shot like this one. So, I'll just say na there are times na hit and miss din tong camera niya. So, one of the good things naman was able to capture the purple shot na ito like this one. It's good. And itong pink shot na ito is also good para sa aking mata. And I was able to capture some really good na Christmas decors on outdoors. And itong bato rin ito, I was able to get in some really nice details as well. Now, if you move to indoor, I was able to snap in some good shots din. And yeah, maganda ka ng pagka-focus naman sa subject, even though this is a very budget phone, okay na okay din naman ang mga shots na nakuha natin from indoors. And taking a look at this one, makita mo clear na clear ang logo ni Starbucks. And pati itong painting na ito on the wall is looking pretty solid din naman. And now, if you're using ka ng zoom lens, this is a normal shot. And this is a 2x zoom shot. Okay na okay pa rin after zooming in for 2 times. Nababasa ko pa rin na sa menu. And taking a look at some of these Christmas decors, I would say na, uy, maganda was able to capture some details dito sa kanya. Further checking some of these decors, okay naman. And pati itong mga bling-bling na ito, looks okay. Except pag zoom in mo, medyo soft na siya. Now, if you're trying to check yung photo from the outdoor using the selfie camera, not so bad Honestly, I was shocked na maganda ang kuha niya Except na medyo na-smoothen out na aking mukha. But overall, I would say na not so bad ang mga shots na nakuha ko from the outdoor. And moving on to indoor, equally nice din naman. Except na medyo mas smooth na mapapansin mo naman talaga halatado ang sa kanyang camera. But it is still able to take in some serious na decent shot. Pero medyo smooth na nga lang. Now, if you're using the front-facing camera to take a vlog, honestly, medyo soft ang mukha ko dito. Pero yung kanyang shakiness is, well, tolerable. And using its rear camera, medyo mas nakakahilo pa ang rear camera as compared sa kanyang front-facing camera. Well, the resolution is not bad versus the front-facing one. Now guys, ano masasabi ko dito sa POCO C75? Honestly, I'm quite happy naman dito sa device na ito. If you're just buying this one as a backup device or if you're using this as a daily driver, pang biyahe mo lang sa Grab, sa Lalamove, okay na itong device na ito. Wala kang maging problema dito sa kanya. It's a really budget-friendly device. Lalo na ngayon, 12/12 na naka-sale siya. Down from 6,500, makukuha mo ito ng 4,600 pesos. I would say na definitely sulit na sulit siya. Can give you some decent na camera shot, can give you some, well, entry-level na games like Mobile Legends and Call of Duty Mobile, kaya-kaya naman na ipatakbo dito sa phone na ito. And best of all, malaki ka na display. Except that ugly teardrop nut. So guys, ano tingin nyo dito sa POCO C75? Would you buy it? Let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a quick sub sa aking channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you in the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.